Ready to transform a humble $100 into a $1,000,000 dream? Let's dive in. Alright, let's start with this, a simple $100 bill. Now, imagine turning this into a $1,000,000 empire. Sounds like a fairy tale? Not quite. First myth to bust aggressive trading. It's like chasing a greased pig. Exciting, but messy. The real secret? Patience and consistency. Think tortoise and hare. Slow and steady wins the race. Still skeptical? Look at successful traders. Started with less than $100, now rolling in millions. How? Discipline, learning from mistakes, and never giving up. So, can you turn $100 into $1 million? Absolutely. But it's a marathon, not a sprint. Remember, every journey starts with a single step. Are you ready to explore and evolve in the global financial market? If yes, join us today. Whether you are a beginner in Forex, a professional trader, investor, or a startup broker, feel free to reach out to us for a friendly chat or free consultation at info@pipinfuse.com or visit pipinfuse.com for more information. We may be able to assist you. All links in the description. Happy trading, everyone.